Boating represents fun. We want it to be fun from the moment you drive into our dealership, step off your boat, whatever interaction you're having with any team member from MarineMax, we want to make sure that first and foremost, it's fun.
We are one of a kind in just the way we take care of customers. There's no one else in the world that does what we do. Our number one priority is making the customer happy.
We're a family here in MarineMax in Miami. This is not just about selling a boat, it's about creating family, creating memories, spending time with them, not just during the sale, it's after the sale as well.
After you buy the boat, we spend a full day giving you an orientation. We go with you to your house or marina. We do so much after sale with our customers.
I think for the people that have bought from MarineMax, they realize, that we're not just going to go away once the transaction's over. If it's a first-time purchase or if they're upgrading to a bigger boat, we help them out with as much training as they need until they're comfortable out in the water.
This company is very committed, and you create memories that you will never forget. You can see families having fun together. Sometimes we shut off the TV, we start looking at pictures, and it has no price.
We're so blessed to be in Miami, have this phenomenal water, but also it's a great opportunity to gather with family and friends. I'm a boater myself. I enjoy the process. I do the delivery and then I expect the questions and take him through the process of owning the boat. That's the most rewarding part when they recognize, wow, I learned a lot. It's like they conquer boating.
On behalf of everyone here at MarineMax Miami, we encourage you to stop by, step aboard, take your mind off of work, take your mind off of whatever stresses you have in life. Get on the boat, relax, enjoy family time. That's what it's all about.